Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the culture of खैबर पख्तूनख्वा। खैबर पख्तूनख्वा का जो पुराना नाम था वो जैसे कि नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंस कंसिडर होता था, जिसको हम एब्रीविएशन में NWFP भी कहते थे। It is divided into 7 divisions and its tribal areas are also part of KPK, which is the FATA, the federally administered areas. Key characteristics of KPK culture, if we talk about, तो main ethnic group जो है वो पश्तून है, ज़्यादातर वहाँ पश्तून रहते हैं और उनकी लैंग्वेज जो है वो भी पश्तो है। इसके साथ साथ हिंदको और कोहिस्तानी ज़ुबान भी जो है वहाँ पे बोली जाती है। लैंडस्केप बड़ा खूबसूरत है। It is surrounded by the high gorgeous mountains with the snow-clad peaks and decorated by the nature with the wonderful pine forests and orchards of apple, apricot, peaches, plum and oranges on the foothills. Most beautiful lakes of the world can also be found in KPK. Like Safal Muluk, it's a very legendary, very famous lake in the Hazara division, and the Mahodand in the Swat, and Dude Patsar lake is also very beautiful and very famous in the among the visitors. And then there are glaciers which are having the very unique variety of trout fish in the Swat area as well. It's a very famous attraction for the tourists who do often visit the Swat Valley. Mostly KPK for its political system के लिए जो जाना जाता है वो ट्राइबल सिस्टम है और जरगा सिस्टम के हवाले से जो है वो पॉलिटिकल कल्चर वहाँ पे मौजूद है। अगर हम जेंडर रोल्स की बात करें तो पश्तून सोसाइटी जो है वो रिलेटिवली एक क्लोज सोसाइटी है। इट्स अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी एंड इट हैज़ ऑलवेज गिवन द ग्रेट प्रोटेक्शन एंड रिस्पेक्ट टू द फीमेल्स। द मदर्स, सिस्टर एंड वाइफ्स आर यूजुअली staying at home to take care of the children, whereas men are going outside for the economic activities. And no one accepts any financial support from the female. Generally, it is considered the symbol of shame to not to work as a male and to be dependent on the female. The head of the family, who is always considered the male, is usually takes care of the family's needs, clothes, food, and education. People, अगर हम लोगों के बात करें, उनकी habits की बात करें, उनकी morality की बात करें, तो they are very hospitable, very loving, and very caring people. Bravery is considered the ornament of the KPK men. They are known for their love and respect for their guests. Here are a few glimpses of KPK region as well as typical representation of their dressing pattern.